This video will guide you through how to do research on your own. Normally, to optimize the SEO result for your article, you need to come up with the right Google keyword. The way you find a keyword for your article is like this. First, you need a website called SE Ranking. Ask Tyson to help you create your account for this website. So after you open it, click on Keyword Research. And here choose your focus country. So if you want to see the result in America, you would choose the country as America. If you want it to be Japan, set it to Japan. Type in a phrase based on your topic. For example, if I'm going to write an article on Japanese learning apps, I can type in Japanese learning apps, hit enter, and see how it goes. So here you can see all these terms, and the most important one is the search volume. The search volume is the total number of monthly searches for a particular search query as estimated by Google. So it measures how popular your keyword is and how many times people are searching it on a monthly basis. The more search volume a keyword has, the better it is. So you can see the search volume for Japanese learning apps is 1.6 thousand, so it's a good number. And you create a document and take a note of the name of the keyword and its search volume. And then you come up with a new and similar keyword phrase and see how it goes. For example, Japanese study apps. Again, you take a note of the name of the keyword and its search volume. You repeat this process for about 5 to 10 times, so you keep coming up with new similar keywords. Japanese apps, Japanese apps, Japanese free apps, and then you compile the search volume into the document. After you're done with the searching, you compare the list and compare the search volume. Find the keyword with the most search volume, and a good search volume should be above 250. So the keyword with the most search volume would now be your keyword. After you figure out what's your keyword, you should find out the competition level and what information they present. Normally, for a web page to remain on the top 3 of Google, they have to have a person spending a lot of time on their website, because if their site sucks, people would normally leave the site quickly. To have a good article, you probably need 50 to 70% of what they have in their article in our article. We also need to differentiate from them and think about what needs they are not meeting in their articles, and then try to meet those needs with our article. The specific ways to do that is you type in the keyword in Google search engine. For example, Japanese learning apps. And then you read the first 3 to 5 articles. You open them in new tabs. And again, you create a Google document and write down the key information of this article. So by key information, I mean both parts you think they explain well on and parts you think they do not cover. You repeat this process for the first 3 to 5 articles, and it can be more if you have more time. And you do the same thing for YouTube videos. So type in the keyword in YouTube, hit enter, and then watch the top 3 to 5 videos on this. Again, take down the key information, what you think they explain well on and what you think they do not cover. And after you're done with this, you can develop a more clear sense of what you should include in your article. So you should include both what these articles and videos have covered and what they have not covered, what questions they have not addressed. Okay, after you're done with this, the last step is to create a customer target for your blog post. You should understand your customer's gender and age, your customer's budget, your customer's schedule and occupation, their personality, their concerns and goals, their reasons not to, etc., etc. So find notes from your research and identify key points of interest for customers. Organize the notes by the key points. You can create a Google document and create an outline for an article. Fill in the outline using your notes and keep adding information using your own words. A way I find really helpful for me for developing a customer target is to create a customer persona. So you make up a customer target. What do you think would be the typical customer who will be interested in your article or your product? What's their gender and age? What's their budget? What's the problems they're facing? And try to solve the problem within your article or within your product. I think this is really effective in terms that it helps you understand your audience better, and it helps you develop a clear sense of what you should cover in your article or your product. So that's it for this video, and I hope it helps.